This is the inside of my friend's m76 car alarm, and he's having a problem with the indicator lights staying on sometimes after he's locked the car. There's two relays on here. The one on the left is a double pole single throw relay. I believe that's the one controlling the indicators. And the one on the right is a single pole double throw, which I believe is for the remote central lock-in. So my plan is to replace the relay on the left, and hopefully that will stop his indicators staying on. Okay, I couldn't get hold of the exact relay, exact replacement, so I found an alternative manufactured by Multicomp, and these are available from Farnell. Part number 2008753 for £1.86 each, or you can do as I did and just purchase from eBay. Okay, I'm going to desolder the relay now. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, and here's the relay, which I've now removed. Okay, here's the relay that I've removed, which controls the indicators, and I've got it hooked up to my meter and a 12 volt bench supply. And if I turn the bench supply on and apply 12 volts to the relay, you can hear the meter beeping to show that the relay's changed state. Now if I turn the bench supply off, the relay isn't changing state. But if I give it a tap with my screwdriver, there you go. So that proves that this relay is definitely sticking. Right, I've got the new relay here, hooked up to my meter and bench supply again. And if I turn the power supply on, you can hear the relay changing state. And if I turn it off, on, off. So there's the new relay, obviously all working, and now I'll solder it onto the board. Okay, I've put the relay on the board and I've turned the board upside down, and I've just taped it to my bench to stop it from wobbling round, and now I'll solder it back on. What I'm using here is a flux dispensing pen, which helps the solder flow. Okay, now I'm going to clean that up a bit with a flux remover pen. There you go, and now that gives a nice clean finish. So I'll fit this back in the car, and fingers crossed it'll work. If not, then I'll come back and edit this video.